Okay, Willoughby, it's January 4th. There's a blizzard outside. You want to go for a walk? Yeah? Okay. Let's go for a walk. He's ready to go. Ready, Will? Come on. Will. No. You don't want to go? Come on.
Oh my god, it's crazy.
Yeah? Willoughby? Come on. Let's go. You don't want to go? You go? You try? Yeah? You're gonna go. We'll see you in a couple minutes.
Alright. He's fake.
You don't want to.
It's too much.